Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Maftaulaziz from the for Automotive Engineering. Here I want to present the result of my work title air conditioner system. Preliminary. Air conditioner is the term for equipment used to maintain air in the room so that the temperature and humidity are present. If the temperature is high in the room, then the heat taken so that the temperature drop is called cooling. Conversely, when room temperature is low, heat is given so that the temperature rises, or called heating. In addition, the humidity is added or reduced to feel comfortable. In addition, the air conditioning system also controls air circulation, purifies air, eliminates interference such as freezing and condensation on the glass surface. D. Working principle of air conditioner work system. At the time we swim after in hot condition, the water exert to the body will absorb body heat and evaporate. That's why our body feel cold and fresh. In the same way, if we apply alcohol to the body, the electrical and electronic system in our vehicles also feel cold on the part the alcohol touches because alcohol quickly absorbs body heat. Example like the picture below. Then here is an example image about component and work diagram of air conditioner. C. Air conditioner component. The basic component of a cooling system in a vessel consists of the first is compressor. In the air conditioner system, the compressor functions as a pump that is useful for circulation refrigerant or freon in the system. The refrigerant will be sucked by the compressor, then the refrigerant will be pressed by the compressor to circulate throughout the system, like this picture on the side. Then condenser. In the air conditioner system, the condenser serves to cool the refrigerant gas or freon, which has high pressure and high temperature after passing through the compression, like the picture on the side. Next, reservoir dryer. After the refrigerant or freon gases drop the condenser, it will go to the reservoir dryer. The function of the reservoir dryer in the air conditioner system is to filter out impurities and absorb water carried by the refrigerant, like the picture on the sheet. Then, evaporator. After the refrigerant passes through the expansion valve, the next will go to the evaporator. Evaporator in air conditioner system has the opposite function of the condenser component. The function of the evaporator is to absorb heat. The refrigerant that passes through the evaporator will absorb heat from the air exhaled by the blower component. Next, condenser fan. Condenser fan serves to blow air through the condenser so that the heat absorption process occurs in the condenser. Like the picture on the side. Then blower. The blower functions to blow air through the evaporator and then the air that has passed through the evaporator will descend into the car chamber, like the picture on the side. Next, refrigerant. Refrigerant or freon is a very volatile substance and the function of the refrigerant is a conductor of heat in the circulation of the air conditioner system, like the picture on the side. The last, control panel. The control panel on the air cooling conditioner system function to control the temperature and control the flow of air that will enter the car space by pushing the button and sliding the lever that regulates the air flow. And then D. Cooling cycle in air conditioner system. Here is a picture cooling cycle on air conditioner system. Number 1. The compressor releases high pressure refrigerant because it absorbs heat from the evaporator plus the heat generated by the compressor during the discharge stroke. Number 2. This refrigerant gas flows into the condenser inside the condenser. The refrigerant gas condenses back into a liquid. Number 3. This refrigerant liquid flows into the reservoir which stores and filters the refrigerant liquid until the evaporator needs refrigerant. Number 4. Expansion valve converts refrigerant liquid into low temperature steam and temperature. The last, number 5. This cools the refrigerant gas flow into the condenser with the help of a compressor. Inside the condenser, the refrigerant gas condenses back into a liquid. Thank you for watching my video might be useful. So from me if there is a wrong word, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.